All right, it's time for another project. Let's start on this old Tote Gote. And I don't know anything about it. Don't know the year, model, anything. So if you guys can help me out, if you know what I'm looking at, that would be much appreciated. It's in pretty rough shape, but I'm gonna start disassembling it. We'll get the frame stripped and painted. I was gonna start on the Cub Cadet lawn tractor that you guys know I got, and it's too cold to actually do a real good paint job on that right now, so we're gonna go with this. Here's the original motor. Not sure anything about it other than it's missing the pull start cover. Gas tank's gone. It does run. I got it to fire over the other day. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna make this one work, so I had this Honda 6.5 horse that does not fit in there. Actually, you can see where I've cut and took that piece out to try to make room, but it won't. It's not gonna work. So we're gonna weld that back in. Got to figure out how to get this rear tire off. I have no clue. Front one looks straight forward, but I have no clue how I'm gonna get down and get that thing undone. Supposedly, I think this is a 2-speed Tote Gote, which there's this shifter fork thing right here, and all that does is moves this back and forth, and I think it just disengages one drive chain to another, and I think you've got like a cruising around speed and crawling speed, I guess. I'm not sure. You got some penetrating oil on here. We're gonna start getting these master links undone, take the chains off, and see what we can find out about this old girl. She's definitely seen some better days. There's the pieces to that master link there. For that one, slide them back on so we don't lose them. Okay, let's see here. Pretty crazy. I don't know if there's stuff broken in here or not. Well, we'll get into it and find out. See if we can find the master link here. Oh, there it is. That chain's really loose. Okay. I think we'll put new chains back on her. And I'm curious to get inside of here and see how this whole assembly works. Let me get everything squirted down with some penetrating oil and we'll go from there. Holy smokes. Release. There it goes. There you go. Now we can get to him. See what that does. Alright, so it turns out these aren't too bad. 7/16 bolt that just goes down through. I thought this was solid. It's just a hoop that holds it, so we can just get these on here. We got the 2 bolts out of here. Now we should just be able to lift this up and hopefully the tire will fall out. Like that. Okay. That's good. All right, let's get the link off here for the speed adjust, the two speed. And we got a stack of 5 washers. I'm sure that's to space it so it fits in there right. We'll remember that. Nice thing about doing videos is you always remember how things go back together. Okay, so there's our 1 bolt there for that guy. Again, 7/16 on this one. And I'm going to use all new hardware on these too. These bolts are pretty rusted. Okay, so well, look at that. That just slides out there. They sure didn't, you know, keep it simple and manage to keep it simple, and everything just works on these old things. You get them restored and they just go and go and go. I mean, for instance, this. Let's see if you can see that there. Yeah, you can see that. So there's the brake. I mean, I'm sure it's been modified. I don't know, maybe that's from factory, but bracket comes down to and all that is a belt riveted into here, and it clamps against one of these V pulleys back here, and you pull a cable, which is here all rotted, and that's your brake. Simple, easy, but effective. So that should pull out of there. So there's that piece. Okay, for the brake, just another 7/16 nut and bolt goes through there, holds that on, and let me get him out. That's your brake assembly. That is crazy. Look at that. Keep it simple, stupid. That's what they say. I'm guessing that's probably where the cable would have ran through there and then pulled here. We'll have to figure something out there, but cool. Just not a whole lot on these. We're almost to where we can start prepping it for paint. Don't take long. I'll pop this other bracket off right back here. I'll do that off camera, and then we'll look and see what we got. I'll pop this piece off too. Yeah, this piece back here that held the other end of the shift lever, I just had to cut that one off. But it looks like spacer wise it was 3 spacers or 3 washers thick here to space that down to where it needed to be. We'll just toss this stuff in the garbage here and hang on to that guy. He'll get painted. Front tire time. Let's get him off. These ones will be straightforward here. There we go. And like the back, we should be able to, oh, maybe not. Like the back. Let's see here. There it goes. All right. And whenever possible, we'll screw these back in. So you try to remember where some of them go. I'm going to replace most of this, so I'm not too worried about it. So we got her flipped upside down. The one thing I was curious about getting this flipped over, if there was going to be any type of serial plate, identifying markings, something. And I am not seeing anything. And the lights in here is bad. We'll pop some these cotter pins out, and that's the foot pegs. Simple. Foot pegs come out. That's all that is. Let's knock this big nut loose here. It's 1 inch. Oh, that one's welded. Duh, it ain't gonna come off. So that means this is gonna have to turn. There we go. And just like that, I don't know if bearings are gonna come falling out of here or what. There is the long bolt there. All right, let me set that down and see if we got bearings that are gonna fall out of here. Let's see, nothing. Wow. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for the disassembly of this Tote Gote. Here's all of our parts and pieces. Drive links, pulleys, chains, tires, nuts and bolts, shift linkage, foot pegs, got our motor here, and frame. And I think what we'll do is I'll get this sent out and get it sandblasted and painted. And I think the next video we'll do will probably be disassembling these, inspecting them, fixing, replacing what needs to be fixed and replaced. Anyway, that was kind of a fun one. I give it a thumbs up. If you guys like that, subscribe, like, smash the button, whatever they say on all the other videos. And we're going to keep bringing these at you. I know it's Christmas. We're, what, 5 days away from Christmas now, so I've had a lot of stuff going on. But it's fun to get out here and get this thing pulled apart for you guys. And if you know anything on this thing, let me know in the comments. I don't know the year. I don't know. I know there was a Huntsman, maybe a trail, a Bros, or trail something. I don't know what this thing is. But if you guys know or have any information on it, please comment, let me know. I love hearing your comments, and I usually reply back pretty promptly. So thanks for watching.